So yesterday we saw that renting, historically, has often built more wealth than owning. But here's the part that actually explains why. When people compare rent to a mortgage payment, they usually just compare those two numbers. But owning comes with extra costs that never show up in that comparison: property tax, insurance, ongoing maintenance, and loan interest. Economists call these the unrecoverable costs of owning, money you spend but never get back when you sell. There's actually a real index. Economists compare these ownership costs against local rent prices, market by market, across dozens of U.S. cities, updated regularly. In some cities, ownership costs are low enough that buying wins easily. In others, ownership costs are so high relative to rent that renting comes out ahead by a wide margin. It's not one universal answer, it depends heavily on where you live. So maybe Taylor and I aren't even having the right argument. It's not really renting versus buying as a universal rule. It's about whether the ownership costs in your specific market are low enough to be worth it. But there's still one catch even this doesn't cover, and it's less about the market and more about human behavior. That's tomorrow.